this video, we are going to learn about meaning, nature, dimensions, and types of learning. Meaning of learning. Learning is the process of acquiring new understanding, knowledge, behavior, skills, values, attitudes, and preferences. The ability to learn is possessed by humans, animals, and some machines. Example: when a child is born, he cries to express his needs. Slowly, as he grows up, he starts learning new words and sentences. After learning this, he expresses his wants by speaking. According to Henry Smith, learning is an acquisition of new behavior as a result of experiences. Characteristics of learning. Learning is a continuous process. Learning is a change in behavior. Learning is universal process. Learning is purposive and goal directed. Learning helps in achieving teaching. Learning objective. Last point is learning is transferable. The learning can be from both direct and indirect experiences. Indirect means observing someone and learning from that observation and not being directly involved in the experience. For example, a child learns how to clap by seeing someone else do it. Learning can also take place from direct experiences. For example, a child learns to write by practicing writing. A child learns from his parents, teachers, and the environment. According to Murphy, the term learning covers every modification in behavior to meet environmental requirement. Nature of learning. Learning is universal. Learning is through experience. Learning is from all sides. Learning is continuous. It results in change in behavior. Learning is an adjustment. Learning comes about as a result of practice. Learning is both positive and negative. Dimensions of learning. It is a comprehensive framework to help educators plan learning experiences for their students. It is based on extensive research about learning and how the mind works. It has been designed to help educators improve students' learning through curriculum, instruction, and assessment using 5 critical aspects of the learning process or dimensions of learning. The 5 dimensions are attitude and perception, acquire and integrate new knowledge, extend and refine knowledge, using knowledge meaningfully, and the last one is habits of mind. Types of knowledge: motor learning, verbal learning, concept learning, discrimination learning, learning of principles, problem solving, and attitude learning.